Welcome to the video on Product Owner Responsibilities in Knowledge and Document Management. After watching this video, you will be able to define Knowledge Management, or KM, and Document Management, or DM, explain the product owner's role in KM and DM, and apply best practices to align team and organizational goals. Let's start by defining Knowledge Management, or KM, and Document Management, or DM. Although closely related, they differ in focus and structure. KM focuses on effectively capturing, sharing, and using knowledge from organizational and subject matter experts, or SMEs. It follows 3 stages: capturing, dispensing, and utilizing knowledge. DM involves managing documents and records throughout their lifecycle. The 4 stages are creating, maintaining, controlling access, and disposing of documents. Agile prioritizes working software that delivers customer value over comprehensive documentation. However, certain key documents are essential to maintain alignment, clarity, and transparency during development. These documents guide the team, inform stakeholders, and streamline Agile workflows. Let's explore the types of documents commonly used in Agile. Agile methodologies incorporate the following 8 essential documents: vision, product backlog, sprint backlog, criteria for completion, progress charts, lessons learned, release plan, and issue log. Vision document provides a clear and complete picture of product goals and strategies. It aligns the team's efforts with the overarching objectives of the organization. Product backlog prioritizes tasks, guides the team's focus, and drives the accomplishment of sprint goals. Sprint backlog specifies the tasks for the current sprint and provides clear objectives and deliverables. Criteria for completion, or definition of done, defines standards and ensures clarity for when tasks or features are considered complete. Progress charts track completed work, monitor remaining tasks, and evaluate resource usage to align the team. Lessons learned capture insights from retrospectives, document improvement ideas, and refine processes for future sprints. Release plan outlines the deliverables timeline and effectively schedules tasks, features, and user stories. Issue log records challenges, tracks resolutions, and helps manage mitigation strategies throughout the project. These documents ensure alignment, clarity, and successful value delivery in Agile projects. The product owner plays a vital role in KM and DM. They ensure the team leverages standard applications, databases, and repositories to maintain efficient workflows. If gaps exist in the organization's information systems, the product owner collaborates with the business and sponsor to secure the necessary tools and technology. The product owner has 4 key tasks: documenting the vision, maintaining the product and sprint backlogs, managing progress and plans, and promoting knowledge sharing. Let's explore these tasks in detail. Documenting the vision involves working closely with the sponsor and key stakeholders to create a clear vision and strategy for the project. This vision acts as a living document that provides direction and remains stable throughout the Agile process. The product owner ensures it is captured, communicated, maintained, and accessible to all relevant parties. Another key task is maintaining the product and sprint backlogs. The product owner facilitates creating, maintaining, and prioritizing user stories during sprint planning and backlog refinement meetings. They ensure the backlogs reflect the latest information and update them as needed. Communication is key, as the product owner keeps stakeholders, end users, and the Scrum team informed of any changes. Managing progress and plans includes creating a communication plan at the start of the project. This plan defines the content, methods, and frequency of updates. The product owner also develops and maintains release plans and progress charts to accurately track updates, progress, and issues, ensuring accessibility to all relevant stakeholders. Promoting knowledge sharing is integral to fostering collaboration. The product owner encourages the team to exchange lessons learned, best practices, and issues during Agile ceremonies. They gather and document user feedback and insights from the business and support training initiatives. This includes creating materials for onboarding and educating team members and others in the organization to enhance their understanding of the product, processes, and tools. In this video, you explored the role of the product owner in KM and DM in Agile. The product owner ensures effective management of knowledge and documentation to support alignment and transparency. The Agile documents include the vision, product backlog, sprint backlog, criteria for completion, progress charts, lessons learned, release plan, and issue log. The key tasks of the product owner include documenting the vision, maintaining backlogs, managing progress and plans, and promoting knowledge sharing,